Today, we will work on this extremely educational trading practice. It will help us to learn how to trade ongoing momentum. Of course, our best trading view indicator will help us to point out great entry locations. If you are ready, here we start. Let's have a good recap of important smart money concepts and also use our lovely indicator on the go. When you look at the daily Solana chart, you will notice a very significant price action. Price taps this daily imbalance and sweeps the equal highs here. So, what does it even mean? It is just a price action fuel to move the price, the combination of imbalance and liquidity. However, in another perspective, what actually is this? It is PO3, the daily power of 3. It is very clear if you notice accumulation, manipulation, and the final distribution. But what happens after the manipulation, the daily manipulation phase? The phase the price sweeps the daily equal highs and the imbalance. If you use our lovely ICT high time frame indicator, you will be able to watch multi-level time phrases at once. Spot the possible entry locations. Like the one here. Notice after the manipulation, price crushes. Then price pulling back into this 30-minute, 1 hour and 2 hour imbalances at once. Now, let's drop to the 5 minutes and talk further about the trades. First thing you should know, the daily manipulation location also sweeps the previous day high, the PDH. And this is the location of multi-imbalance points, which we use to spot with our ICT high time frame indicator. Okay, what happens here? Another liquidity with imbalance, if you notice, basically another inner fuel location. Actually, very interesting fractals. Okay, I can hear you. What is a fractal? It is basically the same price action, the same patterns that happens in multi-time frames. Do you remember the daily power of 3? We had this daily equal high sweep with the daily imbalance. Accumulation, manipulation, and the distribution. Remember, this was the daily time frame. Now we have the exact same thing happen at the hourly time frame, actually inside the daily distribution. Look at what happens in here in the hourly charts one more time. Another small form of PO3, the accumulation, manipulation, and the distribution. This is fractals, the same price action pattern that happened in the multi-different time frames. Very simple idea to watch the price. Of course, the main question remains how to trade this chart. First, after the hourly manipulation area, see what happens, an inner structure break followed by an imbalance. Actually, if you stop and look carefully, you will notice something magnificent. Another small PO3, the minute-based power of 3. 3 fractals in a single trade is crazy. Okay, this would be a very nice 2-hour trade idea, with the idea of hitting these inner equal lows below as your target. In and out as quick as possible. But what if you keep missing the trades and the entries? Then what? Second option would be the cost average entry models. Let's say you jump the trade right after the market structure break. Why not? Since you will cost average, you can jump the trade in any moment. And the second logical position would be the stop loss point above, the above liquidity point. I would set another limit order there. This could have been a great cost average in my opinion, but as you notice, first entry works and the price keeps falling. Okay friends, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please take care for now and have an awesome day. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you